How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of loose skin after weight loss, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So for most people, to get rid of loose skin, obviously they do laser resurfacing surgery. That is super common. A lot of people do that. Surgery obviously is the best option, but people want to know how to get rid of it though without surgery. So the first thing that I would do, and I had a couple of friends that had loose skin. I did help them out. They did not want to go the surgery option just because it can get a little expensive. I had one friend that lost 200 pounds. So they were 400, they lost 200, so they lost half their body weight, which is insane. It was probably my best transformation that I've ever helped someone. My other friend lost 100 pounds, so pretty big weight losses. What we did for both of them is beforehand, they never lifted weights, so they didn't have much muscle mass on them. The minute we lost the weight, we then started on Starting Strength, which is a basic bodybuilding, powerlifting beginner program. And then we started to build some muscle. They ate a diet high in protein, good complex carbs, and healthy fats. What happens is that loose skin, if you put something in the way of that loose skin, it'll tighten it up. So if it's like my shirt, say my shirt is like this, it's really out, and then I lose all the weight, well, it's still gonna be stretched, right? So I need to fill my shirt with something so that it still remains tight and firm. And building muscle allows you to tighten that area. My biceps, for example, my biceps are so tight, I can't even pinch my skin. That's how tight my bicep is against my arm. I can't, like, this is as much skin as I can pinch. You can see I can't even pinch the skin. That's what muscle does to your skin. It'll really tighten it up. And you look at a lot of former really obese people. Some of them may have had surgery, but a lot of them just do the route that I'm talking about, where you build the muscle and then that'll pull the skin tighter. Another thing to do, and something that my friend did almost every single day, was massage the area. So their biggest loose skin area was the stomach. So they would just rub their stomach for about 20 minutes every day. That blood flow in the area does help to tighten it. It does help, and there have been studies that shown that massages do help as well. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.